The wood's here. Wasn't ready for it, so I'm just gonna run the video. Another view. He's going to put everything all over here. And here's the wood. They were supposed to give me the cover to this bunk of plywood, but they didn't, so I'm gonna have to cover this in plastic because we're supposed to be getting rain next week, Thursday, Friday. Today's Saturday, so I'm anticipating that the walls will be built, and the walls are going to go up first. That's how they always do it. But the way that with the weather, I'm trying to beat the weather, so that's my my goal. And we had rains yesterday. I think the weather said maybe 20% chance and slight rains, but the skies are really blue, so unless it rolls in at night, I don't think we're going to have any more rains. It's supposed to be pretty nice tomorrow, and you know, every weather app is different. Some say that it's going to rain tomorrow, and others say no. So I do know that all the weather apps show for rain on Thursday for sure, and Friday, and I think it's like 70-80%. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this bunk, that bunk, and this right here, whatever's left of it, because down below there is some plywood right there. Now the plans call for the plywood to go around the perimeter, so it's going to have the barrier for the most part on top, and then the plywood pieces around the perimeter. And so I'm guessing that by the end of tomorrow we should have walls up, hopefully. Maybe they'll be done with the walls. The two beams, as I said, they go from here to here. They were 20-foot beams, and they're fully exposed corkscrews. They're going back to Lowe's. So it's coming along, and I got to start posting these videos because right now the entire build is on a disc. So I start posting videos, it's going to go back to the excavation. So that's what we have right now. All right, see you later.